Hey guys, it's Coin Collector here, and it's been a while since I uploaded the last video to this channel. The last months certainly have been very wild in the crypto space. Bitcoin is on a crazy run, altcoins are going on a crazy run, and there's hardly a better time to do active trading. So this is why today we want to take another look at the Digitex futures exchange, because I'm using it on a daily basis to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. And there are several reasons why I'm doing this. The main reason being it's a zero fee futures exchange. I tried many exchanges in the past. I won't name them all here, but after trying them, I always end up coming back to Digitex simply for the easy reason that the zero fee structure here on this exchange saves me so much cost, so much fees when I'm doing my trading, when I'm doing my scalping. And not only that, because it's zero fees, it's also because I can manage my trades so easily with the one-click ladder that Digitex offers. As a reminder, this is how the Digitex Futures Exchange looks like. We have a new UI integrated now since a couple of weeks. We're gonna have a deeper look in this in a few minutes. Right now, I want to take you over to the new homepage that also got uploaded a few weeks ago. It's a very pretty homepage, and you can find all the basic information that you need about the Digitex Futures Exchange. If you're completely new, you should know one thing. First off, the exchange is based on their own token, as it's this is the state as we are right now. So you basically have to buy the Digitex token in order to trade with zero fees on the exchange. This might or might not change in the future. We will see about that, but this is the state where we're standing right now. And here you can see the token itself is currently trading at shy above 2 cents right now. We had a little pump the last week or two. You can see the current market cap here and the current circulating supply. If we scroll a little bit further down, we see the current markets that you can trade on the Digitex Futures Exchange. So right now we have two future markets live that you can trade right now. This is BTC and Ethereum. And if you scroll down here, you see this is not active yet, but soon we will have spot markets on the exchange as well. And this will be very, very cool. The community is waiting for this already quite some time. And this will allow you to buy and sell your Digitex directly on the exchange without withdrawing them first to another exchange or to your Uniswap or whatsoever. So you will be able to buy and sell Digitex directly on the exchange, which will allow you also to, say you want to start trading, you would go on the exchange, you would buy your token, and then when you're done, you can simply sell them directly, so you're not exposed to the volatility of the token while you're not trading. If this is something you want to do, you can also keep your token while you're not trading if you're expecting that the token will go up in the future, so you can profit from this as well. So this is entirely up to you, and I think this will bring some new dynamics to the token indeed when the spot markets are finally live, I think in the next couple of weeks. Trading with or trading without fees will change the game of how you trade, because if you're trading with fees, you are probably more careful on how you pick your entries and so on. If you have no fees, you can be trading simply more in a more aggressive style. You can easily go in and out of trades, and you can even enter or exit your trades at the exact same price without paying any fees. If you would do this on any other exchange, you would pay a ton of fees. Say you entered a long position, and I don't know, a few minutes later you don't like how the chart or how the market is developing itself, and you decide to get out of the position again, and ideally you do it even at the same price, maybe even slightly above your entry, you would still pay a ton of fees, and this would likely eat up any little profit you would have made, or it would even eat up your break-even position that you had at that point. This is something that you won't have if you're trading with zero fees, meaning you can get in a position and can't get out at the same price without paying anything for it. So this allows you to scratch your trades way more often, and it will just give you more confidence in your trading overall. So here in this chart, you can see, for instance, what other exchanges are charging for taker fees, and it makes a huge difference over time. If you say, I don't know, if you make 1,000 trades or so, these fees will add up in a crazy way, and you would be shocked if these exchanges had like a counter to show you what you paid in fees in the past, and you would be shocked how much money you can actually save by trading with absolutely zero fees. Especially taker fees. Most traders I know always do market orders when they are entering their trades and exit their trades, simply because it's the fastest way to get in and out. If you're using limit orders, You often have to wait for your entry to get filled. So most traders I know are using market orders, and when you use a market order, you are paying takeoff fees because you're taking the liquidity of the order book, and these exchanges charge you for that, and they charge you a very high amount of fees, fees that you are not have to pay on Digitex, and this will change the way you trade. This will change the way you are trading, and it will also change the amount of profits that you're making over time, and you will notice that for sure. Before we're heading to the platform itself, I say we have a short look on the token itself, how it's progressing at the moment, and this chart is telling quite a wild history. Digitex had quite some ups and downs in the past, and now recently we had a huge sell-off going into January. Then we had a nice double bottom here in January, February, and now as you can see, we had a nice pump coming back. We had a nice accumulation phase down here. Now we're pumping that out. Now we're pumping back out of it. So I personally see a ton of potential for Digitex coming this year, but you will know why a little bit later. So going to the exchange, trading here on the exchange is something that is so easy, and I showed this exchange to so many people already in the past, and once I explained it to them how easy it works, how easy they can trade, and how they can make actually money while they're trading, not only actually profiting from their positions, Digitex also allows you to profit simply from placing orders in the order book. And this is something very cool that no other exchange allows you to do. So let's have a short look. Here we have our one-click trading ladder. So, and up here on the left, we have our contract size that you can pre-select here with this little field. So right now I have it preset like this, and if you say you want to change your contract size, you would simply change these numbers here, save it, and now you can see, now we have this pre-selection box up here. Up here you can change your leverage. As you know, Digitex futures, it's a futures exchange, meaning we are betting on the value of the underlying asset, and we can do so with a leverage. Digitex allows you to leverage your position up to 100x, and if you move this thing around here, you can see how many contracts you can afford by using this leverage what you're choosing. So right now, let's go. I go a little small here. Let's say I want to use a maximum leverage of 3 right now. It would allow me a total contract size of 8,500, because you can see here right now I have a little bit over 3 million token right now here on my trading account. And by the way, this trading account I traded up over the last couple of months from, I think I'm coming from 200,000 token, and I traded up over the months step by step, and now I'm sitting on 3.2 million. So and I only did this here on the exchange with trading. So all you do now, if you want to place your order, you can place limit orders and you can take market orders. Say we want to place some limit orders in the ladder. This is super easy. You simply select your contract size up here, and now you can see, you can move your mouse over the price levels here, and now you simply click one time and you get a little pop-up window here telling you what exactly you are doing right now. Now you would place a limit order. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. I will check this box here. I don't want to see this again. And now you can see I have my 5 contracts placed here in the ladder, and I can simply click along the price levels to scale in and to scale out of positions. And like this, I can fill the order book very easily with my contracts. If I want to get rid of them, I simply click on the total contract size that's now added up here, and all my limit orders are deleted again. So this is super easy to do. Let's say we want to trade, we want to do a market order right now. If you want to do this, you simply click on where the spot price, you can see here's our spot price. You simply click slightly above the spot price, and it will take the liquidity right away from the sell side. So we click to the left, and now we are in a long position right now. And that's it. That's already super easy. And now you can see we're now in a slight loss here on the right side. You can see where I'm sitting right now with my wins or with my gains. The spot price is moving up here on the right side in the green. You can see your gains in Digitex token that you would have. On the right side here, my current losses. So right now I'm down minus 2.5 Digitex. If you want to close your position, you have several options to do so. You can simply close at market, then it would close your position right away here. Or you can simply place, I don't know, let's place a sell order up here. So now my position gets closed when the spot price is moving up here, and it would sell my 5 contracts and profit again. What you also can do is I simply could add another 5 contracts here right now, and it would average my position down. Say I place another 5 contracts here right now. Let's see if we can get those filled. No, market is moving up again. So let's place a sell order here. and we will see what gets filled first. Okay, we just let this run. Maybe the position gets closed out in profit now. But you can see trading on this ladder is super intuitive, and it's a lot of fun. And there's no other exchange where you can trade like this, in at least in such an easy fashion. What else can I show you? We have another cool thing. It's called liquidity mining. I mentioned already that you can earn money on Digitex as well without actually winning or losing trades. You can also make money by simply providing liquidity to the order book directly. And this is something pretty cool. All you have to do, I'm going to close my position out here right now. Oh no, I don't have to. All you have to do for this, you simply add contracts around the spot price. So you can see the spot price is here, and I have some contracts very close to the spot price sitting here, and I do so on both sides. On the buy side, and I will do the same thing on the sell side as well. And what's happening now is the system is taking a snapshot every minute, and I think every minute at a random time within the minute, and will take a snapshot, and you get paid based on how many orders you have placed close at the spot price. Like right now, you're getting paid for 5 ticks around the spot price. And so you can see I keep my orders very, very close. And this is all you do basically. And then you simply try to get out if you get filled with your orders, you simply try to get out of your orders again by averaging out of your position. So right now I'm simply closing my position again. Now we made a little profit of 5 Digitex. And now if you want to check how much profit you made already in liquidity mining, all you do, you go to your account symbol, you go to liquidity mining, and here you can see how much in liquidity mining has been earned already on the exchange today. And let's check our reward history here right now. So this is today right now. So we made almost 0.7 Digitex right now, but as you see, we only did it like, I don't know, for less than a minute. So this is a pretty good reward. And if you're doing trading, and if you're trading all the time, I mean, that's what you're doing basically anyway. You're placing orders around the spot price, or you're taking market orders. But if you're placing orders around this spot price, then you're getting paid for that. So that's just pretty cool. So what's missing for Digitex? Actually, not so much. The main thing that is missing right now are the spot markets, and we expect them to arrive this month, I think, and this will be very cool because then I could simply sell my profits now to USDC, for instance, can park them in USDC, and in the next morning I can simply buy back into Digitex, keep on trading during the day, do my trading session, and afterwards I can simply do whatever, hold my Digitex or scale or sell them again for USDC to park them to protect myself from potential volatility of the token. This is entirely up to you. What else can I show you? I think in the liquidity mining program, we will also get trading bots in the future. Like right now, you can do the liquidity mining yourself. You can do it. I mean, you can do it, but it will be easier if you have like some trading bots that do the work for you. We have some manuals that show you how you can do it right now already, but not everybody knows how to do that exactly, how to set these bots up. And I think in the future we will get in-house trading bots as well that will help you setting up trading strategies, doing market making, all these good things. And yeah, I can only invite you to try trading here for yourself on the ladder. It's a lot of fun, and you will notice the difference in trading and the profit that you're making by not paying these high fees that you're paying on the other exchanges. Another thing the community is desperately waiting for is staking, but as you can see, we already have on Uniswap where you can do staking. But I think we will also get another staking program. It was mentioned in one of the blogs already as well, and this is always a good thing. The community, the people, the holder, they love to stake. And yeah, I think the potential for Digitex is very, very huge, given the fact how the overall market is rising right now, and especially the trading volume on the other future exchanges. And what better thing to do than to put your trading volume to work on a zero-fee exchange? There's I see a ton of potential, a ton of upside here for Digitex, especially when we have the spot markets. And I think we are currently, if we check out the website again, we are currently at a market cap only of, let's see, of currently 21 million. And I don't know, a platform like this easily, in my opinion, has an upside of, I don't know, 300 to 500 million in market cap. But we will see how the next months play out. To me, this is still a very great entry point into this project if you're new and if you see potential in zero-fee futures trading. I can only invite you, try it out, and you will simply see for yourself. I'm very, very bullish here on this chart currently. You see where we're coming from. Digitex has been in the 13 cent areas several times already. 1, 2, here we came all the way to 12 cent again, and right now we're still, I mean, we're not too far away. I mean, it's only like a 4x to get back to this 10 cent area, and I think if we come here a fourth time, then I think we will finally break it. Maybe get like a, I can maybe draw it out how the way I see it. No financial advice, it's simply the way how I see that chart. Let me see if I can find my little brush here. Yeah, here it is. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. So for now, I want to get back into, I want to see that Digitex gets back into this long time range that it was trading here around 3 to 5 cent in this area. I want to see it hold in this area. So you see we are not even in that range yet. So it's still a very good entry if you're entering here. And then I'm looking for something like this, that we get back up to this trend line here where we're coming down right now. And eventually we'll break it and we will finally break up. What do we need for this? We need for this simply, Digitex needs more traders, more exposure, and we need the spot markets for this. But yeah, overall, the way the team is working right now, the way they're rolling out things, the way they're doing things, I think this is something that can be accomplished over the coming weeks and months, definitely. So I'm very bullish on the project, and yeah, I keep on trading. And if you have any questions about the exchange, or if you need help with anything, feel free to drop me some comments below the video and I will gladly answer you. Okay, that's it for now. See you in the next video. Ciao.